Hi YouTube, what's going on? So recently I stumbled upon an opportunity which will be able to pay you as much as $15 every single day. Okay, 15 bucks, guys. So recently I stumbled upon this opportunity and I thought it wise to show it to you. Okay, so there are a whole lot of things that are happening from online, and these things can be able to give you money just in case you are told of what to do. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, in one of my recent videos I told you there are billions of dollars online, and part of the money can be yours just in case you know what to do while you are online. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you what to do to earn as much as $15 every single day. So just in case $15 is not small for you, just in case you want to earn daily from home, just in case you want to earn daily with your cell phone or your computer, I need to watch this video till the very end. Okay, where I'm going to expose to you an opportunity which is going to pay as much as what, $15 every single day. Yeah, there is no investment required. There is no you don't have to invest that much of your time. You just need some few minutes of your time per day. Okay, and I also need to know that we are using data. Okay, we are going to earn money from data from online. Right? Okay, so follow me closely while I walk you through the process.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online. Okay, we share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle. Right, we equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry. Okay, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos. All right, these videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, over the years there have been so many opportunities from online which people have been earning money from. Okay, now one of which people have not exploited money from is from data. Okay, from data. I believe most of all of you have an idea what I'm talking about, but I need to know that there are companies out there that are buying data from users. Okay, in this part of the video, we're going to target on how to make money from data, which is what our primary focus, and this is going to be closely followed by making money from what? From traffic. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, there are companies out there that are buying data from users. This data is used for their research. Okay, there are also companies out there who build applications, websites, and a whole lot, and they need some traffic. Okay, so how do you come in? So guys, as I explained earlier, recently I stumbled upon an application which makes it easy for companies to buy data from online. Now I need to know that the data they are buying from online is not data from bots, it is not data from AIs. Okay, it is data from human beings like you and I. All right, therefore there is some kind of a middleman between the companies and the data providers, which are what, the users, which collects money from the companies. Okay, share this money with the data providers, which are users like you and I, and at the end of the day everybody wins. Okay, the company wins the data, the middleman earns the money, and then you too also earn the money, but I need to know that you earn more. Okay, so this opportunity which I want to talk about has already made a whole lot of money for some people. Okay, you can see some screenshots that I've sent you on this part of the video, and people have earned a whole lot of money from it. Okay, so you might look at it as what, a service where you get to help companies to do research and then earn some money from it. Okay, for instance, company can want to buy this data for thousands of dollars, and then they share part of this money with you, the user that is giving the data. I believe this is very simple. Now the application which I stumbled upon is called what? It is called the social loop LCC. Okay, that is the name of the application, and you could also call it the Eureka. Okay, now this application has been there for quite a long time, guys. They have been there since 2017. Now this is the only application I've made online with minimum withdrawal of what, of $5. Okay, the minimum withdrawal right here is $5, and you can be able to take out money through bank transfers. You can be able to take out money through PayPal. You can also be take out money through gift cards. Okay, now all these monies can be able to, these guys have several payment options so that you can be able to receive money from them. Okay, now what do I need to do? I need to go over to your app store and install the application, start completing surveys, providing data online, and then you're going to earn as much as $15 every single day. Now, you know that just in case you sign up on this application, you're gonna earn as much as $1 for completing your profile. I mean, for completing your profile, you get $1. Okay, even though you're going to see the amount in terms of peas, but I need to know that there is a rate between the peas you have and dollar. Okay, there is an exchange rate. Okay, this exchange rate differs at some point, but at any point in time, you're gonna be able to make some money. So go over there, install this application, and start earning. Okay, just in case you have any question, let me know in the comment, and I look forward to update you further on this application. Okay.